When blood flows into someone's arteries, it's indicative of life. But outside, it's actually death. Your blood will no longer flow in your arteries. You will soon die.
Mom, I'm going to college. Today I have extra classes, so it will be too late to come. Okay, I will return at once. Okay, bye. Hey,
Hey, let's go. Then.
so what is your plan about today?
My love, my plan every day, but where is your time for me?
When we were engaged 4 years ago, today, it was decided that we would settle our career first. Don't you remember?
Okay, I remember. But don't forget to meet me at the familiar restaurant
Okay.
at 5 p.m.
Then,
I will be waiting for you.
okay, bye.
Bye.
How many times have I told you not to look at any other boys? And look at me. Why didn't you pick up my phone yesterday? Why? Answer me.
Believe me, I love no one but you. Our relationship is of 3 years. Have I left you yet? You will see my death for you in one day.
Okay. Don't get so emotional. Look at me. I love you too. But please, don't do that such things anymore. Okay? Look at me now. Hey, hello. Our movie seems to have started. Let's enjoy the movie. Please smile. Smile, baby. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, let's.
Life seems like boring. Yeah.
Seriously.
For a long time, I have not seen a movie with a boy's money. Nowadays, boys are very clever. My previous boyfriend was very stupid. I took off lot of money or gifts from him. Nowadays, it doesn't matter of love to have such a boy.
All this nonsense. We, the girls, have an amazing ability to fool any boys, you know.
Yeah.
Look, let it go and let's go to the cafe. We will see other boys, okay?
Go.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let's go.
Hey, beautiful. Can I be the center of your attraction?
Did you just send it to me?
Who else is beautiful here except you?
What do you want from me?
Just your love, baby.
Oh, really? Then please note my mobile number and I will talk at night. In fact, I'm the only one who is available for the money. So, do you agree with that?
Why not?
Okay, then please. 9163 509160.
Bye, sweetheart.
Bye.
Hey, Ritam. Hi. Come. Hey, what's up?
Hi guys.
Fine.
Guys, I have a great news.
What?
I have trapped a new girl in love again.
Oh, really? Ah, great, bro. Then let's celebrate the day by drinking wine.
Yes, obviously, why not?
Really? Yeah.
Listen, Ritam,
What?
you know that I don't like that. So I am not coming, and I advise you not to make your life this types of dirty dustbin
Hey bro,
for
listen.
sake of hairless pleasure.
Hey listen. Keep your advice to yourself.
Yes.
My father has enough money, so I have no tension in my life. Got it?
Exact, bro. If we don't enjoy our life at this age, then when will we? Get lost.
Then enjoy.
Let's bro.
Okay, bye.
Come.
Take care.
By the way, thanks for the party. It will be one of the happiest moments of my life.
I am also very happy to have you as my life partner.
Have you ever think, in the brief hours of life, if the things you want can be enjoyed in small, it becomes more precious.
Listen, I want to tell you something.
What?
So when you are getting married?
Oh, not again. Look, like other ordinary people, we can't spend our life by talking using Facebook or WhatsApp. The main motto of our life is to make this beautiful life more beautiful.
Okay, madam. I am just kidding. Don't take it serious. We will not get married until we both have a good career. Okay?
Okay, I'm getting late. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, bye.
I called you so many times at last night. Why didn't you pick up my phone?
Oh, actually, I was busy in partying and I drank to the fill and I have a headache last night. So please don't mind. I cannot pick your phone.
Nowadays, you started drinking again? This friend of yours will ruin your life one day.
Hey, don't talk nonsense about my friend. Okay?
Do you have any respect from me? You always try to humiliate me. A relationship bound in a sacred bond when lovers learn to respect each other.
You have come to teach me relationship? Oh, really? From now on, we have no relationship. Just break it up. Get lost.
Hey, listen!
Hey, hi.
What's up?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about yourself?
Me too.
Oh, yeah.
So, now, what about your stupid boyfriend?
Oh,
Did you get any new gifts or money from him?
oh yes, of course. You know, it is very easy to fool the sons of such rich fathers. At least for the beautiful girls like me. But this relationship has been going on for so long, you know. And I think this is the high time for separation.
What?
Yeah, of course.
Hi Devu. I want to tell you something. I told in my house about our relationship and they all agreed. So I want to marry you.
Hey, 1 minute. What did you say?
I want to marry you.
Are you crazy, man? Did you just take this relationship seriously? What the hell?
You slut. Do you think I will marry you? I have been flirting with you for a long time. Girls like you need a man like me. Huh. And one thing. And the money I have spent on you, we pay the same money for our house. Just go to hell.
Hey, listen! I will not spare you, man. I will not spare you.
Hi.
Hey, Vikram. What's up?
Fine.
And last night we have enjoyed a lot. What a party, bro. Thanks.
Welcome, bro. Have not I told you about that girl? I have tried to you, girl.
Yeah.
Last night I insulted her.
What? Why?
I am the son of the richest tycoon in the city, and she showed the audacity to reject me. Shit.
Hey, what's up?
What? What did you say? You call me Buster? You bitch.
Traitor! Whom you insulted is now my girlfriend. And it was different, bro!
Did you call me slut? You crooks, man. Your money will be of no use wherever you are going now. Tata.